Precision agriculture is the future of farming in America. To meet the needs of a growing population, more farmers are turning to technology than ever before. These new tools are helping farmers achieve an unprecedented level of efficiency, accuracy, and overall crop yield.
Precision agriculture is using technology to optimize a farmer's operation. Farmers are using these types of things for crop performance, optimizing crop performance, reducing the environmental impact of farming, and also just really bringing better profitability to his farm.
I would say prescription planting, because of precision agriculture, we've been able to write prescriptions for planters, so as they receive a GPS signal going across the field, they can change the population automatically to utilize the seed better and to get a better yield in more stressful areas of the field.
One of the most exciting breakthroughs in agriculture today is the emergence of implement steering. Implement steering has come to the forefront of the farming world thanks to the use of ultra-accurate GPS technology.
Implement steering is the ability for the implement that the tractor is pulling to position itself independently of the tractor, either by means of GPS signal or some type of mechanical signal that it's getting.
I think implement steering came about when farmers needed a way to keep their pulled equipment like a sprayer off the row when they were going through the field. I'm a strip tiller, no tiller, and it's hard to keep the planter on the strips, and if you don't stay on the strips you do have a yield reduction, and this just virtually is perfect all the time.
Today, American Farmer is on location in Odebolt, Iowa. Odebolt is the home of MBW Products, creator of the Pro Tracker hydraulic hitch.
MBW Products is a small business started here in Odebolt, Iowa in 1978, and we are an ag repair and fabrication business primarily for the ag industry, and have since moved into manufacturing with the Pro Tracker line of hitches.
Well, MBW has been in the business of repairing and welding and fixing our equipment around here ever since I've been in business.
Well, MBW's earned their reputation just from us farmers bringing things in there. And they did such good work in repairing and stuff, it usually came back better than new. And we all in the area know how good they are.
MBW Products began as a local welding and fabrication shop, where they were eventually commissioned to build a movable hitch for a local farmer.
We were approached actually by a local farmer. We did a lot of fabricating for local farmers, local businesses, and he was having trouble with his pull-type sprayer drifting on the side hill and damaging his crops. And we basically needed to develop a hitch for him that was able to attach to his tractor and able to move to different tractors as well as be used on different implements. And once we got that one perfected, we realized a very broad market for this, and since have moved into manufacturing them.
The Pro Tracker hydraulic hitch represents over 30 years of engineering design and expertise. Thanks to GPS steering and sub-inch accuracy, the Pro Tracker is poised to save farmers time, energy, and money.
Basically, the Pro Tracker line of hitches, we've got a line of hitches that can be configured many different ways depending on the application. They can be configured GPS ready to plug into the leading GPS systems out there to get sub-inch accuracy. Or you can use the Pro Tracker side hill sensor, which will sense the degree of slope that tractor is on and automatically adjust the drawbar to compensate for the implement drift. And depending on the application, we can set up a Pro Tracker for what your need is.
Put simply, the Pro Tracker hydraulic hitch provides farmers with an incredible amount of control over the machinery that they so heavily rely on.
Being a strip tiller, it keeps my equipment on the strips when I come back to plant, and then I'll be side dressing this summer, and it helps there also, keeping between the rows and things.
The Pro Tracker, which is able to mount to almost any tractor, simultaneously maximizes crop efficiency while minimizing crop damage.
Sub-inch accuracy is a line that's drawn across the field you come back at any time and it'll be within 1 inch of that line year after year, which is very important in strip tilling. Sub-inch accuracy improves our efficiency by doing a better job of controlling our costs, because costs have really gone up in the last few years. Now we shut things off right at the end. Yields do better on the end rows where you don't have overlaps. The same way with the fertilizer and spraying and seed. It's just a positive in anything you do on the operation.
The goal of any farming operation is to create a harvest that yields the highest quality product at the highest volume possible. With a trouble-free design, the Pro Tracker helps farmers maximize crop yields with minimal maintenance.
The Pro Tractor is trouble-free because of how easy it is to put on, and it runs with 2 hydraulic cylinders, so not a lot of moving parts.
So planting can be more accurate, fertilizer applications can be more accurate, spraying can be more accurate with less crop damage.
And I feel this Pro Tractor will be the same way, because I think GPS is here to stay, and it's just going to grow faster. And this is going to be one way of helping keep us online.
For more information, visit www.mbwproducts.com or call 712-668-4240.